Hey everyone, welcome to Weekend Warrior DIY. My name is Grant and I'm here to show you how to do projects around the house, from mudding to electrical to carpentry to plumbing to whatever. So in this video I'm going to show you how to mud the inside corner of drywall. Okay? Just like a pro. Now of course you need your mud, you need your drywall to be done, right? You need all the screws just beyond flush set into the drywall, and so you need your either your hawk. I use a hawk. Some people like to use the mud pan. It's a rectangular pan filled with mud. Actually, I've never really used one. I've always used a hawk. However, as I'm getting older, I think I might switch over to that. I tend to tip this over once in a while, and if you have your mud a little runny for first coats, a box would obviously be better than a hawk, trying to keep it level if you're up on a ladder or whatever. Anyways, 6-inch knife, drywall tape, and mud. For consistency on mud, for me, I like it like this, maybe a little bit runnier than that. That's a little bit thick, but when it's like this, I don't feel like mixing it again right now, even though it would only take a minute. A little bit runnier, but the problem when it's too runny, then it just falls off the knife and it's hard to take it from your box or your hawk and get it onto the wall where you need to, right? So just make sure when it's a little bit thicker that you don't put it on too thick, right? And I'm only going to do about a 4-foot section here because I have to go up about 12 feet here in the garage, and I just want to show you guys how to do this. So first things first, you take your mud, knife in your mud, and I'm going to wipe a bit here, and I'm going to wipe it down on one side. I'm just going to keep taking some mud and just kind of angle your knife so that where the inside corner is, the knife is out a little bit. So you're kind of pressing kind of on an angle, just lightly. You just want to spread it around a bit. Okay? There. Now I'm going to do the other side. Same thing. More mud. This actually works out well because I don't know if you can see here or not, but down here at the bottom, I actually have a bit of a bigger gap. The small little piece of drywall I put in the corner wasn't quite wide enough, so this thicker mud is better for stuff like that because it won't just drip out. Okay, so here we got mud on both sides. It doesn't have to be really pretty. It shouldn't be overly thick. Just thick enough so that you can lay your drywall tape on it and it'll sit there. So drywall tape, I'm just going to measure here like this. Down. Should be so long. Now on drywall tape there's a crease. Bend it with the crease, right? Makes it easier. And take your tape, stick it right in the corner. Okay? Don't go up over where there isn't mud. Don't stick it on, because then you got to get mud underneath. It's just going to bubble out and it's going to look like crap, and it's a pain in the butt to try and fix after. So, okay, so we got that. So now we're going to take a bit of mud, and we're just going to wipe a little on the top and go down one side. Just press firmly. There. That side's pretty much done. I see where I kind of got a little bit of a wonky ripple in it, but we'll fix that up. There. So there, that's it. You can consider this corner piece, this inside corner is done now for the first coat. Some people put 2 coats, 3 coats. This is in the garage. I'll be putting 2 obviously for sure. I don't know if I'll need 3. We'll see how it goes. I think I can get away with 2. But the last thing I put my next coat. I know a lot of people do, some of the pros don't like to use corner trowels, but I'm telling you, this thing's awesome because you just have to wipe the mud in, and when you run this in with pressure right in the middle and you run it down nice, it just gives that inside corner. It's just perfect. You hardly have to do any sanding, and you save yourself a lot of hassle. I know a lot of guys like to do one side, let it dry, do the other side, let it dry. Much better, especially if you're not a professional. Use this, but I'll shoot a video for this one too when I come back, okay? So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like, do all that stuff. I appreciate it. Again, my name's Grant, and thanks for watching.